Getting paid to write articles from home is a dream job for a lot of us. And who wouldn't like to get paid to blog about anything? Freelance writing is actually one of the easiest ways to make money online. There is no investment required. You don't have to pay any startup fee. The pay is relatively fast. In fact, there are many blogs and online magazines that pay you for stories and articles instantly. And there is no shortage of freelance writing gigs. The only problem is finding sites that pay decent money for your content. But that's no longer a problem. We've gathered a list of online magazines and blogs that will pay you from $50 up to $500 or more per article. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Sites that pay you to write about education. 1. Teaching Tolerance, $1 per word. This is a magazine geared towards teachers. Their audience is a national audience of Prec-12 educators interested. The kind of content they look for include diversity, multiculturalism, anti-bias and social justice. They pay up to $1 per word. 2. American Educator. Up to $300 per post. American Educator is a quarterly magazine funded by the American Federation of Teachers. It covers all aspects of teaching from the perspective of policy formulation, labors, trends, etc. You are paid up to $300 per accepted article. Sites that pay you to write about religion. 3. Devazine, $25 to $100 per post. Devazine's goal is to provide guidelines to young adults in order to strengthen their faith in Christianity. You earn $25 for meditations-related articles and $100 for feature-length articles. 4. Sports Spectrum, $315 to $420 per post. Sports Spectrum tends to focus on how Christianity can inspire sporting success. You can expect to fetch $315 to $420 for an article length of 1,500 to 2,000 words. If you know of any other source, please share it by leaving a comment below. Subscribe to the channel and like the video.